In this short tutorial, I will show you how to lock your journal app on your iPhone so that only you can access it. Keeping your personal thoughts and feelings private is important, and locking your journal app adds an extra layer of security. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see an option called Journal. Tap on it. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Lock Journal. Just tap on it. And then enter the passcode of your iPhone to access this setting. To lock the journal app on your iPhone, simply toggle on this switch over here. Now only the Face ID, Touch ID, or device passcode will be able to unlock the journal app. You can also auto-lock the app after a certain amount of inactivity. To do that, tap over here and choose your preferred option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.